The cabin air filter in the 2020 to 2022 Subaru Outback is located behind the glove compartment on the passenger side. Its primary function is to filter incoming air through the HVAC system, preventing dust, pollen, allergens, and other particulates from entering the cabin. This maintains optimal air quality and HVAC efficiency. It is a pleated paper or synthetic element, typically measuring about 7.5 by 8.5 by 0.8 inches, housed in a plastic frame. Neglecting replacement can lead to reduced airflow, musty odors, HVAC strain, and potential warranty issues. Park the vehicle on a level surface and turn off the engine. Open the glove box and release the two side stops by pressing them inward. Pull the glove box downward. Remove the filter cover, usually secured by tabs or screws. Pull out the old filter, noting its orientation. Arrows indicate airflow direction. Insert the new filter, ensuring the airflow arrow matches the correct direction. Reassemble the glove box. Replacement should be done every 15,000 to 30,000 miles or annually. Aftermarket filters with activated carbon are increasingly popular for better odor and VOC filtration. Total time takes 10 to 15 minutes.